Welcome back to Crypto Zombies. We are in Chapter 7, Function Declarations. It says a function declaration in Solidity looks like the following. So we have function, eat hamburgers. It takes in string that is named name with an underscore in the beginning. Then we have a uint, which is amount with underscore in the beginning. This is a function named eatHamburgers that takes two parameters, a string and a uint. For now, the body of the function is empty. Note, it's convention, but not required, to start function parameter variables names with an underscore in order to differentiate them from global variables. We'll use that convention throughout our tutorial. So you could call this function like so. Eat hamburgers, and then you pass in a string and an integer. Put it to the test. In our app, we're going to need to be able to create zombies. Let's create a function for that. Create a function named createZombie. It should take two parameters, name, which is a string, and DNA, which is a uint, and both of them have that underscore. So leave the body empty for now. We'll fill it in later. So if we go here and we go right under there, we're going to create a function like here. So function, and what did it say to name it? createZombie. So createZombie, and it's going to take two parameters, probably a string, which they say to name, name, so string, space, underscore, name, comma, and a uint that's name is DNA with underscore DNA, and then our curly braces, opening and closing, and that's basically our function declaration. Function createZombie takes a string and a uint. String is name, and uint is DNA. Let's check answer. We did pass. The important thing to note from this lesson was basically how we declare a function, and you basically give it, you say function, then the name, and then parentheses, and within the parentheses you would put your parameters, and then close the parentheses, and then your curly braces. Within your curly braces, we will write our function, whatever it's going to do. As long as you guys got that, you guys got the point of this lesson, and that's pretty much it. Make sure to share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.